The sea exacts a heavy toll on ships. Corrosion and heavy wear and tear keep a ship's life limited. To keep today's ships in service as long as possible, ship owners must provide the most effective maintenance available. It's late 1979. Severe vibrations are traced to an oversized rudder pintle housing on the Queen Elizabeth II. Traditional repairs would have forced a profitable holiday cruise to be canceled. That would have cost the QE2 millions. Instead, repair crews used a Belzona solution. The work took just a few days, and the Caribbean cruise took place as planned. That's just one example of how ship owners are turning away from traditional repairs. Speed is crucial in this environment. Owners lose money, lots of it, anytime a ship is in dry dock instead of the water. In Italy, for example, the bill starts at more than $8,000 a day for a 60,000-ton ship, and that's before the repair work begins. And it doesn't take into account lost productivity. So repairs today often include ceramic metals and engineering know-how pioneered by Belzona for corrosion, erosion, as well as cavitation damage.
The challenge there is not so much to protect it against corrosion, but to be able to put a coating on the surface of the metal that will absorb some of the shock waves from the cavitation itself and distribute them over the whole surface, not allowing that pitting effect to occur.
Repairs with Belzona ceramic metal occur faster than traditional methods. A job can be done in minutes or hours compared to the days it would take to weld and the additional days needed to grind back contours on metal components. And Belzona ceramic metal repairs are cold systems, so there's no risk of damaging or warping metal components. At best, traditional repairs in this environment are only temporary. That's because welding or machining techniques replace metal with like metal. That new metal fails in the same way and the same amount of time or faster than the original metal. So these ceramic metal systems resist what caused the original problem.
We had to be able to resist cavitation. We had to be able to resist erosion, corrosion, protect against bimetallic corrosion, and hang on in very, very rapid water flow situations. So our adhesion had to be very high. But that's only part of the solution.
The other part of the solution is based on laboratory tests of hundreds, if not thousands, of formulas designed for specific temperatures, chemical and abrasive situations, and different flow environments. And field research helps system manufacturers respond to customer needs. The results are the conservation of man-made resources. Crews can often reclaim components from the scrap heap, and that generates an additional cost and time savings.
In many cases, Belzona systems can be used to create new parts, rubber gaskets, rubber coupling components, or reclaim pump housings that otherwise would have been replaced. These components aren't fast to get. It can take weeks and months to get new parts, especially to remote locations.
Experts feel the continuing globalization of economies and impact of NAFTA will mean even more reliance on repair materials. That's because companies today can't afford huge capital outlays for new equipment. The competitive business environment in the maritime industry and others means companies must keep existing equipment running longer and more efficiently.